Okay, hello friends and followers. Here's a look at a diagram of the Paragon 2 power amplifier assembly, PA assembly, and that's the PA that I have a part down here. So I flipped the radio over, the Paragon 2, and I just wanted to search in here for the other blown up capacitor, and I found it. So it was down here. Parts of it were touching this transformer here, so I cleaned it out and removed the leads for it, so it was right there. You can see a small stump. So eventually I want to come in and replace that. It looks like it's simply a filtering capacitor, but there's probably some reason why it's necessary anyway. So in going back into the cage, I found more of this stuff. So these are the two rubber gaskets for the capacitors that exploded. Capacitor parts, I suppose this is part of the capacitor. I did find this big hunk of solder loose in there too, which could have been a concern. When I see this little part here, it looks like it's part of a transformer or something. One of those transformers must have fallen apart too from heat. So, yeah, this radio has been through it. I'm surprised I have any output from this thing at all, really. And I guess I'm not ready to pull this all apart and go through this thing. I really kind of want to put it back together and see what else is wrong with it, if anything. And I guess I can adjust those. There's a procedure for that by unhooking a B plus wire or a 12 volt wire and fiddling with those. So I probably should do that to make sure this thing is operating in a linear manner. Those are the bias adjustments. Anyway, yeah, there's the PA, and the book for the Paragon 2 does go through the PA schematic, which is right here. And those capacitors that I have found, I think, are these small ones. I think this is one of them right there. So 10 UF 25 volter. There's a couple of those around. They look like they're basically just smoothing out some of the power. Not sure how critical those are, but I don't know. I don't like seeing that one there. That's like an RC circuit there. And one there, so I hope it's not these. But hard to say. I don't think I want to tear this thing apart yet and fiddle with it. Anyway, there's an adjustment here that one can do right here. They talk about how this works, and they talk about how to adjust those two controls down there. Right about there, I think. Let's see, where is it? Not there. Okay, they tell you up here how to do it. Yep, right there. So power amplifier right there. And these two potentiometers are for the bias adjustment right there. So you would go through those and follow this procedure and go that way. See how it works. I probably should do that, but I want to get the thing kind of back together before I start taking wires off. Make sure it's safe. Things aren't going to bump and short out. Okay, well, thanks for watching again. This is the Paragon 2 that I've been working on here that I got from eBay that has been sort of a problem child nightmare, but well, maybe it's going to work finally. It receives again, and I did get the display to work so you can actually see the display in a bright room, which was a real problem. So we'll see. And I want to get it back together before I forget how it goes together. So yep, just throw it back together. See if it receives. I still can't find the little plug for the display board that I lost. Jumper plug for bright and for low brightness. I gotta find that plug. Anyway, it's going together again. I guess I'll put it together, put the files together. Now I've gotten the big piece of solder out of there, broken capacitors, parts, pieces. We'll see if it works. I guess it puts out about 50 watts sometimes. Maybe that's enough for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.